Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. So today we are bringing you a mouth-watering recipe inspired by the flavors of Goa, which is Goan French bean vegetable. Join us as we dive into the vibrant world of Goan cuisine, blending the freshness of French beans with the bold spices and aromatic ingredients characteristics of this coastal paradise. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds and learn how to recreate this authentic dish in your own kitchen. So now let's begin. First, in a hot pan, add oil. Add 2 onions chopped. Fry this until the onion is nice and soft, something like this. Then add 1 tomato chopped, 4 green chilies, and fry this until the tomatoes are nice and soft. Then add 400 grams green beans cut in half a centimeter size. Add 2 potatoes cut in cubes. Add some salt to taste. Add a pinch of turmeric powder and add 1/3 cup of water. Then give this a nice mix. Then cover it and cook it until the potatoes are soft. So the potatoes are nice and soft now. Give this a mix. Then add 1/3 cup of fresh grated coconut and give this a mix. Let the flavor of coconut infuse in the vegetable. And then cover and cook this for about 2 minutes. So the Goan style French bean vegetable is ready to serve now. So thanks for joining us on this flavorful journey through Goan cuisine. We hope you have enjoyed discovering the magic of Goan French bean vegetable with us. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more delicious recipes from around the world. Also do share this recipe and all my other recipes to your loved ones. And I hope you will recreate this recipe in your own kitchen and let me know in the comments how you liked it. Also give me any of your suggestions in the comments. Until next time, happy cooking. Bye.